The Cessna 336 is a twin-engine utility aircraft built with a mixed pull and push configuration, which is its most notable feature. This innovative design not only gave it a unique look, but also provided exceptional performance and safety compared to other light aircraft of its time. With several transformations that included armament, it was used in the Vietnam War as an observation and psychological warfare aircraft under the name of O2 Skymaster. It is an aircraft that has captured the attention of both pilots and aviation enthusiasts since its introduction in the 60s. Welcome to a new video from the world of aviation's Aeropedia. The development of the Cessna Skymaster began in the early 60s as a response to the needs of a light, reliable, and high-performance aircraft. The prototype's first flight took place in 1961, and in 1963 the model was officially introduced as the Cessna 336. However, it was the improved model, the Cessna 337, that really stood out in the market. In 1965, Cessna introduced the 337 Super Skymaster. This plane was larger, with a more powerful engine and a dorsal air intake that is above the plane for cooling the rear engine, and a retractable landing gear. Cessna built 1,859 units of this other model. They also made 503 units of the military version 02. Production ended in 1982, but the Skymaster brand was continued by Reims in France. The design of the Skymaster eliminates one of the common problems in twin-engine aircraft, the symmetry of thrust in case one of these fails. With both engines aligned on the aircraft's longitudinal axis, the loss of one of them does not significantly affect directional control, a considerable advantage in terms of safety. In addition, the plane has a retractable landing gear, which improves aerodynamics and flight performance. Flying one of these aircraft requires a pilot to have a multi-engine rating, although many countries issue a special centerline thrust rating for the Skymaster and other similarly configured aircraft. The stabilizers are mounted on a double beam that extends from the wings, with the rear engine located between them. The combination of the pull and push configuration produces a unique and unmistakable sound. All rear-engine planes produce a characteristic sound as the propeller deflects the turbulent air displaced by the fuselage. Since the Skymaster also has a front engine which operates in non-turbulent air, its sound is different from a purely rear-propelled plane. Ground handling requires some attention and procedures. The rear engine tends to overheat and can stop during taxiing on very hot days. These engines are the Continental IO 360 of 210 HP 6-cylinder inline air-cooled. It is a high-wing twin-engine design. It has a maximum takeoff weight of 2,000 kilograms and 2,450 kilograms in the O2 version. It has a range of 1,553 kilometers with the internal fuel tanks. Its maximum speed is 320 kilometers per hour, and it has a capacity for 5 passengers. It is not only used in general aviation, but it has also played an important role in military applications and surveillance missions. The Cessna 02 is the military version of the 337, which in 1966 was asked of the company to replace the 01 Bird Dog. Modifications made for the military configuration included front and rear seats for a pilot and an observer, instead of the 6 seats in the civilian version, the installation of viewing panels in the doors to improve ground observation, military communications and navigation equipment instead of civilian ones. A total of 532 O2s had been built in 2 variants for the United States Air Force during the Vietnam War. The A variant was an advanced air control aircraft, and the B was equipped with speakers and a leaflet dispenser for the function in psychological operations directed at the population of Vietnam. A total of 178 O2 Skymasters were lost in the Vietnam War, but continued operating with the Air Force and the United States Air National Guard until the late 80s. It has been used by numerous air forces, many from Latin America, such as Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Haiti, Ecuador, El Salvador, Mexico, Nicaragua, Peru, Dominican Republic, and Uruguay. The Skymaster is still much loved and admired by aviation enthusiasts. Although production of the model ceased in 1980, many of these aircraft are still in service, and their legacy continues to live on in aviation history. This aircraft offers the peace of mind of a twin engine with the operational simplicity of a single engine, making it an attractive option for those looking for a safe and reliable plane for personal travel or business. I hope you enjoyed this new video from the world of aviation's Aeropedia.